Hey guys, I'm Deanda and today is Simple Goal Sunday. So let me tell you what Simple Goal Sunday is all about. This is the day when I bring you all the motivation that you need to set some simple maintenance goals for yourself for the week ahead that's going to help keep you on track towards reaching your bigger goals that you set for yourself at the beginning of the year. And before I tell you all about Simple Goal Sunday, be sure to go ahead and hit the subscribe button and click the bell to turn the notifications on, because this channel is a community where we as moms and homemakers inspire, encourage, and motivate one another to live life more simply. I know that as a mom or as a homemaker, it can be a little challenging sometimes, right? To make sure that you're staying on track towards meeting the goals that you've set for yourself and doing the things that are in your heart to do. And so Simple Goal Sunday is here to help, girl. Let me tell you what it is. You're just gonna need a couple of very simple things. I have my planner here, but you're actually not going to need a planner. And the reason I brought my planner to Simple Goal Sunday is because in the back of my planner, I have this little sheet of paper. I'm kind of covering it up because it has all of my goals for 2020 on here. This is something I've done maybe the last 2 or 3 years, where I print out my goals, type them up on Canva, make a little graphic, and then print it out on a sheet of paper with like 4 pages per sheet, so that it gets really tiny, and then I can easily fit it into the back of my planner, even if I have a really small planner. And so what happens though is that sometimes my goals are just back here on this lovely graphic that I've designed, and I forget about them. Let me know if you've done the same thing. Let me know if I'm all alone out here or if you can relate, okay? And so I have some health goals on here. Like, some of them I don't mind sharing. Exercise 3 times per week, sis. It has not happened this year consistently. Go from 143 pounds to 135 pounds. Look, I have gone completely that many pounds in the opposite direction. Okay, so now I have to lose double that much to get down to 135. 7 hours of sleep, 4 days a week. I started off pretty strong, but it's been a struggle. Okay, so I have these wonderful goals back here. It has not been that great, but with Simple Goal Sunday, this is a new routine that I'm beginning, because on this channel, we are all about creating systems, habits, and routines to help simplify our everyday lives, okay? And so I'm here to kind of like help you guys along the process, but really it's also for me and like accountability for me, because I need the accountability. So I'll hold y'all accountable, you hold me accountable. Let's check up on each other in the comments, okay? I really want to make like build a community here, okay? So here's what you need for Simple Goal Sunday. You need something to press on. If you don't have a clipboard, just grab you a book off the coffee table, okay? Anything will do. You're going to need something to write with. I think I'll go with this one that I got for Christmas last year, and then just several index cards. What we're gonna do is we are gonna think of some things that we want to achieve in the upcoming week, and also not just like looking at next week, but also thinking about our bigger overarching goals, okay? So thinking about some of the goals that you set for yourself at the beginning of the year, or maybe not even the beginning of the year. Maybe you set some goals for yourself in the middle of the year, or anytime this year, or anytime ever. We want to make sure that we're doing something every day to work towards our goals. And so that is something that I heard from my best friend, Dr. Christina Williamson. She has a doctorate degree in like transformational change or transformational leadership. Awesome motivational speaker. So like whenever she says something, I listen, and then look, I get to share it with you, okay? And even if it's not every day, like at least every week, we should be doing something towards our goals. Because I mean, if we don't do it, who's gonna do it for us, right? So here's what we're gonna do. Get your index cards, and I'm just gonna write weekly goals at the top, and I'm going to try to stick to 3 to 5. I really want to stay like around the 3 to 4 mark, but sometimes life gets crazy and you just got to do what you got to do, you know? But we want to keep it simple, okay? Simple and attainable. So we don't want to make a long list. That's why we're working with the index card. So here's what we're gonna do. Up at the top of your card, you are gonna write weekly goals, and then we're just gonna put our 3 to 5 simple weekly goals on this one sheet. And then when we're done with that, we're gonna put each separate goal on a separate index card. Okay. So here's a quick tip when you're writing out your goals. You wanna think about the different aspects of your life. Think about the different hats you wear, or, you know, some of us don't wear hats. Recently, I have been into wigs. You want to set different goals for the different aspects of who you are. And so this week I'm setting a goal to start my son's new preschool curriculum, and I need to begin a routine with that. So every night after work, we're going to come home, 10 minutes to put everything down, get settled in, and then I want us to just dive right into the curriculum. And it's supposed to be super simple, just 10 to 20 minutes a day of the preschool learning that he needs, and I want to begin that routine. I know that if I don't put it as a routine, like some days we do it, some days we don't, it kind of throws him off. I'm a second grade teacher, and I can tell you that kids thrive off of consistency, not just in the classroom, but also at home. So my first goal is going to be to begin the pre-K curriculum 10 minutes after getting home. And that's super specific, because it's really easy to just get home and be like, you know what, child, I don't even feel like this right now. We'll just do it tomorrow. Okay, son, we'll do it tomorrow. Can't do that. We got to set a routine. So that's my first goal. And then my second goal is going to be based off one of the bigger goals that I have for myself in the back of my planner. Go from 143 pounds to 135 pounds. Let me tell you this. Now I'm sitting at a good 159.5 to 0.9, just depending on the day and the time. Okay. So I got work to do, and I have to really take this goal seriously, because I noticed a trend in the last several years that at the beginning of every year I'm like, lose 15 pounds, but then before we even get to the middle of the year, I've actually gained 15 pounds. Drop a hand clap emoji in the comments, because I worked out 4 times this week, and I'm proud of that. So if I can do it, you can do it too. So my super specific yet simple goal for this week is going to be to get moving. And I don't want to write exercise, because I don't know, I just don't. So I'm going to say get moving 3 or more times, at least 3 times, starting on Monday. At least 30 minutes. So in order for it to count for me as a get moving, it's got to be at least 30 minutes. My third goal this week is going to be, I have to work on some sponsored content for my other channel. I have a tutorial video that needs to be going up, so I need to do a trial run of it this week, like on my own, not necessarily recorded. Do a trial run, and then over the weekend, like next week, I can film my tutorial when I'm on Thanksgiving break. So I'm gonna write down, do trial run of Christmas gift. This is gonna be a Christmas post. So that is my content goal. And then my final goal, I usually don't do work goals on here, but I am a second grade teacher and I've got to get caught up on my grading. It's gonna have to happen in my own personal time. So I'm just gonna put it on my weekly goals. Get caught up on grading. Okay, so those are my 4 simple goals for this week. Let me know in the comment what's one of your simple goals, or if you want to let me know all 3 to 5 of your goals, then go for it. I honestly would really love to hear what you guys are working on. And now I'm going to put each separate goal on here so that I can stick them up in the appropriate places around my house and actually see it. And I love this planner. I really love it. It's so pretty. It has like the time blocking stuff in it, but honestly, like a lot of times it stays at home or it stays closed like after I use it. And so then that doesn't help, right? So the deal with the index cards is that I can bring these with me when on the go. I can put one on my mirror as a reminder. Like, I have to make my goals visible. If there's something I need to work on or remember, I have to make it visible. So our Simple Goal Sunday, I thought of this little acronym. We can do SAV, simple and visible. You want to keep your goals in front of you. There's a scripture in the Bible that says, write the vision and make it plain. For me, making it plain means I need to keep it before my eyes. And if it's closed in a book, then it's not before my eyes. So for this, I'm going to be using my Crayola markers. I did say that I'm a teacher, and so I like to make things colorful and beautiful, but I'm telling you, just like a pencil or a pen will still do the trick. So the first one, begin the pre-K curriculum, and then my health goal. And you know what, I'm going to do 3 little check boxes. And then I need to do a trial run of my Christmas gift. And my last one, got to get caught up on grading. Your girl is behind. All right, ladies, so that is it for today. This is a Simple Goals Sunday. I have my 4 simple goals that I'm going to be working on this week. And really quickly before we go, another reason why I wanted us to do the goals separately on index cards is that once it's done, we're going to put all the goals that we've done together in a certain place and like be able to look back and reflect on, you know what? You might feel like a lazy bum sometimes, but you actually get stuff done, okay? So as these cards start stacking up as we continue going through our Simple Goals Sundays, you're gonna be amazed and feeling very proud of yourself. So that's all I have for you today. I hope that you enjoyed this video, that you're feeling inspired, motivated, and encouraged to get those simple goals written down on this good Sunday. And look, sis, if you're catching it on a day that's later than Sunday, no worries, you still have time, okay? It's never too late. As long as you're breathing, it is never too late. Anyway, hope you're feeling inspired, encouraged, and motivated to get those goals down. Keep them in front of your eyes, do the work, and I'll see you down in the comments and in the next video. Bye.